Hello, everyone. This is Maths is Easy with Mr. David. Okay, welcome to Solve with Me. All right. Someone sent this question across to me. It was like, Mr. David, can you throw more light on how this question can be solved? And I thought it wise to bring it, then show you guys how it has been done. Okay, that question is you're going to see some exponents there. 7 index 0, 7 to the power of 0 plus 7 to the power of n equals to 50. Then they say find 2n. Okay, this is an algebra question with a little bit of exponents there. So what we need to do first is to find n. We're going to find n, then we'll now find what 2n is. So we're going to start with the first thing there. You're going to see 7 to the power of 0. So if you can remember, according to the law of indices, anything raised to the power of 0 gives 1. So any number raised to the power of 0, I think it is a to the power of 0 is 1. So there's a theory to that. It has been proven. So that means that what? That 7 to the power of 0 in this case too is going to be 1. Okay, so 7 to the power of 0 is also going to be 1 here. So, and with this being known, we're going to now rewrite this equation to be 1 plus 7 to the power of n as equal to 50. So we written like this. So now, if you recall, this is we have like terms here, so we're going to pick like terms. 1 and 50 are like terms. So this thing will now be 7 to the power of n as equal to 50 minus 1. 50 minus 1. And you guys know that 50 take away 1 will give us 49. So this will be 7 to the power of n is equal to what? 49. Wonderful. This is looking good already. So now, 7 to the power of n, 49 on the other hand. So now, we're going to ask ourselves, can 49 be raised to any, can 49, if taking the square root of 49, is it going to give us anything to 2? So if you look at the square root of 49, it's going to give us what? 7. So that means 7 can be put in a power 2 instead of 49. So that means 49 is also 7 to the power of 2. Yeah, 7 to the power of 2 gives 49. The square root of 49 is 7. So 7 to the power of 2 gives 49. So that means I can rewrite this to be what? 7 to the power of n is equal to 7 to the power of 2. So with this being known, that means that what? We have same base, 7 and 7. So that means that n is equal to 2. Wonderful, n is equal to 2. So now, they say we should find what? 2n. So for us to find 2n is equal to 2 times n, but n is equal to 2. So that means 2n is simply 2 times 2. And then 2 times 2 is what? 4. So simply, the answer to that question is what? 4. So that means what? N is equal to 2, and then 2n is equal to 4. So you can take your time, go through it again and understand how it has been done. If you have any question regarding this, you can drop a question on the comment section or hit right at my DM. Thank you for joining me. See you again next time. Have a nice time. Bye-bye.